a light mask. Now these LED lights are going to do a variety of different colors, including red, blue, clear blue, green, purple, yellow, and each of them serves a different purpose for beauty and health reasons. This mask fits really nice over your face, and the silicone in here is medical grade silicone. Let's take a look at the basics of the machine. At the front here, you have 3 bottles that you can use for skin treatment. The things that you would put in here would be an additional purchase. I'm just gonna tip the machine a little bit like this so you can see the controls. These dials here, this dial here is for using these liquids plus the water that I'll show you at the back. This is where you control your minimum and maximum for air for the dermabrasion, and this one controls the minimum and maximum for water. Up top here, you have all of the different tools that you will use and the ports for plugging them in around the side here. When you get this right out of the box, you can actually start using it right away. All you need is distilled water. This is a clear holder that you can attach to your machine, just like this, that will actually hold your mask. We have all these different cords here, but if I lift them out of the way for a moment, you can see that there's 2 water bottles here. One is wastewater, and now you would put your distilled water in here and actually turn on the blue light filter that's going to purify the water, which is what you can operate the entire machine on. And as you're doing something like, say, dermabrasion, which is where you're removing the dirt and the impurities from the skin, the wastewater will fill up in here as this is used up. You'll definitely be able to tell that it's wastewater because it's going to have kind of like a milky, really gross brown color. At which point, when it gets filled up here and this is depleted, there's a little sensor on the machine that's going to tell you it's time to empty your wastewater and refill your distilled water. What do each of these really cool little things do? Well, this one here is your ultrasound. So you can use an ultrasound gel and actually apply ultrasound as therapy to the skin. Really, really nice feature. This one here is the RF applicator. You have a control button on the side here for turning it on, going more or less. And you can use this for skin tightening and to give a nice deep massage. This one right here is a skin scrubber. So it has a rubber guard on it. And if you take a look at it, it has a bit of an edge here. You can either use it like this, pushing down your skin, or like this. And what it does is it helps to scrape dirt and grime and oils that build up on your skin. That is a really neat feature for getting all the extra dirt out. I can only imagine how great my skin's gonna be when I'm done this. This one here is the cold hammer. And cold hammer is great for tightening pores. Then you would use it in circles like this on the skin. And this surface, of course, gets really cold. And then, so if you've done the opening, the cleaning, the tightening, the ultrasound for circulation, and then the cold paddle here, this definitely would tighten everything up and make you have that beautiful, beautiful skin. Now this one here is the aqua facial handle, and it is used for dermabrasion, and this helps with the dermabrasion. All you would have to do is screw this on nice and tight, and then it would allow you to remove blackheads. There's a variety of different tip sizes depending on the size of the surface that you're working on, from small down to quite wide like that. And as well in the bag, you get a couple of the replacement gaskets that you see here and here on the machine. By the way, this one here, my teenagers are already lining up for, because we all know the problem areas across the T-zone here for blackheads and all that oily skin and pimple stuff. This is going to be awesome for that. And this one here is the spray gun. This is a little glass vial that just fits in over this rubber gasket. You put the water in here or whatever the treatment is you're spraying, and you can use this with the control right here to just spray the area with the solution that's in here. This machine does everything all at once. It gives you the option to add in some treatment solutions as well across the front. I'm super, super curious to see what it's gonna be like when I actually put it in action. I just wanna give you a close-up of the machine. Now this is the LED display for this particular machine, and you see that there's these flags on the surface here. This has loaded in English language, although there are 8 other options for language. And each of these touch areas on the screen is connected to one of these products right here. For example, this button here controls your scrubber. This button here controls your ultrasound. This button here controls your RF. This one here controls your mask. And then over along the side here, you have your abrasion, your cold, and your spray options for here and here. Another really interesting thing is you can set a timer and it will allow you to keep track of how long you've been doing your treatment for. It also has an indication here for the H2O2, which is the hydrogen oxygen water, which I showed you goes connected in the back. And then these dials that are right here, here, and here control the solutions that you put along the front here. You turn this dial and it will adjust to whichever one. So every time you want to use something, you would click on the associated icon, and then you could do things like select your color, your B bottle, your C bottle, and your D is your hydrogen oxygen water at the back. And this here, when you touch this, is going to tell you how much water you have at the back. You can see as soon as I touch the button, it does turn on the timer and it gives you a running countdown of an hour for a treatment, but you can adjust this as well. You can add your time down, plus or minus. So if you know that you have 30 minutes, you can actually set a 30-minute timer. I will give you a demonstration of all the different features and I'll let you know how it turns out. But I can tell you that already this is definitely going to be a family favorite at my house.